How to make your outfit private and hidden from other players in PUBG. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In PUBG Mobile, you can make your outfit private, cosmetics hidden from other players by just adjusting the privacy setting. First things first, launch open the PUBG Mobile game and log into your account. From the home page or the lobby screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the arrow button. Once you do that, you will be able to see this expanded menu where you'll need to click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to Privacy and Social at the bottom right. Inside Privacy and Social, scroll down and then look for this cosmetic item and collectible display. You see the Show Outfit button right next to the Show Outfit button. Select Private or Friends Only. After you do that, your character will now appear in default clothes to others, but you can still see your equipped outfit in PUBG. So there you have it. That is how you can hide your outfit in PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.